Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi and let's do some analysis for the next week. So if you see the last week Nifty formed a bullish candle. So if you not see like a daily time frame, price exactly near resistance line. So what is the resistance line and why this line is important? So at the level of 16,800, this is a strong resistance. So why is it important? So let me show you. Price pull back and hit this level. Have you seen it? 16,800 and a reverse back. And right now price exactly near 16,800. So it is a probability to give a pullback again. Now question is that if price open a gap up or if price open a gap down, so what is our entry and exit point? So where we can enter? So in that case we have to analyze the global market. So let me show you the global market. So before we identify the direction, all right. So most of the people are thinking, hey, price will continue toward the upside, it will go up, price will open a gap up and continue toward the direction. No, price, remember, price never goes like a straight line. Price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. So last few days we have seen price create a new high and it's a probability to give a pullback. So either it's going to give a pullback or not. How we'll analyze? So let me show you the global market. So first I'm using this website. So you just go to here investing.com. So let me show you global indices. Last Friday, Asian and European market, most of the Asian and European market was positive, but finally US market are negative. So here you can see Dow Jones negative by 0.43, S&P 500 negative by almost 1%, Nasdaq negative by 1.87%, so on here. So it is a probability that Indian market may give a pullback, open neck, pull down, or sorry, gap down. All right. So now question that why US market is negative. So let me show you the fundamental news. So here according to fundamental news, the social media stock on the Friday weighted on the overall market as a snap flank negative by 39% after reporting disappointed earning results. So most of the social media stocks earning was disappointed, all are negative. So that is why US market are negative. And another technology stock holding PLC, world biggest market, computer hardware drives, closing down by more than negative 8%. That is why US market was negative. So those on S&P 500, Nasdaq, whatever. So that is the cause they are negative. Now question is that what going to be happen next week? So in that case, let me show you the global calendar. So first, we have already seen global market are negative, and the Monday there are no major news, and the Tuesday some new major news, CB consumer confidence, which is forecasting negative. So means Monday and the Tuesday price may be little bit sideways or it will be negative. So we'll identify the resistance, all right, supporting line. So next Wednesday and Thursday, let me see, Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday US some important news, FOMC statement going to release, and the federal fund rate, which is going to be positive, and another FOMC press conference. All right, so means Wednesday, so according to this global calendar, so Monday and Tuesday it may give a correction. So we expecting the Monday will gap down and it will be little bit correction Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday and the Thursday the positive news. All right, it's a forecasting, not exactly, it's a negative news. Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, that will be positive news. All right, so all are forecasting. So means if price open a gap down on Monday, it is a probability to continue toward the downside. So in that case, we have to find out there's some supporting line level. So other way we are bullish. All right, so as I said, price never goes like a straight line. It goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. Right, so finally we have seen price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, and some correction may give somewhere there. So now question is that where is the correction level? So we have to identify our entry point. So according to my analysis, by using technical analysis, some specific level I identify. So first level around 16,500. So let me show you why this level is important. So if you want to see, after breaking this 200 exponential moving average, so here the price hit 200 moving average, pull back, after broke this level again hit 200 moving average, again down. So finally broke this 200 exponential moving average, this black line, the probability to give a pullback. This is the first level around 16,500. So another level is a probability to pull back around 16,200. This is the important level. So we have seen two important level, means it is a probability to bounce again from this 16,500, and another is a probability to bounce from 16,200. That is the important level. So why? So Monday and Tuesday we are expecting that price may give a correction. We never know. Nobody can predict the future, right? So it is a probability to pull back around 16,500 and another probability to 16,200. All right, in between this area 300 point gap, so you can go for like intraday trading if after breaking this 16,500. So next target will be 16,200. All right, so as a long-term trader who are waiting for who are willing to hold their position for a week, so they must wait for a confirmation around in a buy direction around 16,500 and next 16,200. That's the important level. Okay, let me show in a small time frame in H1. Let me show very important level, this 16,200. Okay, so basically I'm using Fibonacci. Okay, let me zoom in little bit. Okay, all right, perfect. Okay, now see here, according to Fibonacci, price goes up, pull back, goes up. So here I can see this one A point, and this is the B point, and this is the C point according to Fibonacci, some retracement. Now you can see again this one A point. All right, this is the B point. Okay, now question is that where is the C point? Where is the C point? So in that case we will use Fibonacci. All right, Fibonacci retracement. So okay, sorry, somewhere there. Where is the Fibonacci? Okay, here is the Fibonacci retracement. Let me connect this A point. Okay, sorry, this one A point. Okay, now connect this B point. Let me remove this one. Okay, so just use the B point and find out the C point. and exactly C point are forming. So what is the Fibonacci level is important, 50% retracement and 61% retracement. That's the important level, this zone exactly. All right, so here I can see this one 50% retracement, and this one 61% retracement. All right, percent. Okay, this zone is very important. As I said, 16,250 to 16,200, this is the zone. So it's a probability to pull back to this level, and after that price may bounce from this area. So similarly here 200 moving average will act as a support. So basically I'm looking for buy after giving a pullback in this area. All right, so if you see price are rejecting from this area, and if price pull back, so definitely we'll buy and we'll hold position. So we're expecting that price will create a new high. This is another level and another somewhere here also. So basically we need a bullish confirmation in this level and bullish confirmation in this level. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.